Take 67. I've been a professional luthier for over 30 years, and I've seen a lot of people come in with their guitars, obviously. These are the 5 tools that I think that every guitarist should have in their case. And I'm not talking about your nail files and stuff like that. You know, those make sense. But I truly believe that every guitarist needs these in their case, so that way, if anything comes up, they can fix whatever problem they have. So, without further ado, the first thing that every guitarist should have in their case is some sort of a clipper for their strings. If you're out and about and you have to change a string, I personally don't like a whole lot of excess hanging off of the end. So, I like to use those clippers just to get rid of all the excess. It cleans it up. It doesn't take up any room, especially something small like this. It gets right into the headstock. These are my favorite ones. Use those. Those will make your life so much easier and your guitar looks so much cleaner. That said, you guys really should check out some of the stuff I've got on my website. I've got all sorts of guitars at all different price points. It's not just my own stuff. I've got a lot of other guitars ranging from under, right around $1,000 all the way up to, take out a second mortgage on your house. And, some of them, if you give me a call, I can give you a pretty good deal and just say, hey, I saw you on YouTube. And, I do get a lot of those calls already. So come on by, give me a call, and we'll get you into a good guitar. That said, moving on to the next tool. The second thing that every guitarist, I think, should have in their case is some sort of a string winding device. This one I put onto my drill, but it also came with a handle, which I don't know where it is because I use this on my drill. But the other one that I use and carry with me wherever I go is my tuner. And this has a winding feature, so if I'm not in a huge hurry, I can use this and tune the guitar all in one. I can't live without this in my shop or in my go bag or in my case. This thing lives with me, and the best part is it's rechargeable, it's accurate within a few cents. You've got a cell phone app to make it connect and do your custom tunings. I personally can't live without it, and once you have one, I don't think that you could either. The third thing that I think that every guitarist should have in their case is a nut file. And maybe it doesn't have to be in your case, maybe in your bag, because this gets to be a lot, but I see a lot of people carrying bags. If you have a nut file in your bag, and you don't use it too often, but this is like just in case of emergencies, having something like this will be the difference between your guitar sometimes buzzing or not buzzing, because the string has moved itself away from the edge of the nut. You want a very crisp edge, not an overly rounded. I'm not saying to be aggressive with this. A light 1, maybe 2 passes is all that you need. This can be a life changer for your guitar, and it weighs next to nothing. I highly recommend having something like this with you. The fourth thing, every guitarist should have a ruler in their case. I can't tell you how many times somebody calls me up and says, hey, I've got a problem with my guitar and such and such. Oh, what's the action height? I don't know. And you can even get a tape measure. I've seen them at Home Depot, and I'll put a link to some down below. Tape measures that actually have surprisingly accurate measurements on them for millimeters. Keep one of those, and they're really stinking handy around the house too. My kids keep on stealing mine, so I buy lots of those. But a good ruler in metric and in inches is really, really handy to have in your case. Plus, you never know when you need to measure something. The fifth thing that every guitarist should have is, to me, a pair of pliers. You never know, and these are fish boning pliers because they're smooth. I use these to grab string ends, when sometimes they get double threaded into the hole at the head and they get stuck. Sometimes you need to just grab it and pull it out, and there's only so much you can do with these. This is a very good complement to this. So this is somewhere between 4 and 1.5. in terms of where you need to have it. I think that every guitarist should have these, and when I see one of these in the case, I know that you're an enlightened guitar player and that you've had a stuck string at some point. You never know when it's going to happen. I've had it happen to me where rollers have turned and pinched the string inside between the outside roller and the inner sleeve, and this makes all the difference in the world between being able to change your string and not changing your string. As always, I can't just leave it at 5 because I got to give you one more. The 6th most important thing that you have to have in your case is some sort of a screwdriver. These are lifesavers. I can't tell you how many times I've come across guitars where the screws on the tuning machines are about to fall out. And, you know, you can go as simple as this. What I like to use in my shop, and I'm not getting paid by these guys at all, but this fantastic, it has every bit that you need and then some in one very handy carrying case with a really nice, no, this one's electric, with a really nice grip, and that way you never lose anything, because I'm not the most organized of people, surprise, surprise. In addition to being able to use these, this fantastic, this is the non-electric version, in your case, and, you know, just having them around, I gotta tell you, these things have saved my hide so many times just around my house and in the workshop. You know, depending on what tuning machines come in, for me, I like to fix things myself, so there's been a couple times where I've had to grab some of these safety Torx bits, to break open one of my tools where I got to rewire something or resolder it. And there's a really huge difference between using a bit that is almost right and using the right bit. And I gotta tell you, this thing has so many bits. I didn't even know, this is stupid sounding, but I didn't even know that some of these tips existed. And I'm sure I will encounter them in the wild, but now I actually feel compelled to take on a project of working on my own computer with some of the tools inside of here. And, you know, I'm sure you guys can find other uses for this as well, but having something like this where it all comes down into one compact form really makes all the difference. And that way you know exactly which one you're missing, because it's probably going to be the one you need. And these, I gotta tell you, go with me every time I go out to a show. If you see me at a guitar show, I can promise you I have all of these tools with me inside of my bag, because I genuinely believe that they will make your life so much easier. It's coming towards the end of the year. I appreciate everybody sticking around with me. This channel's grown a lot. Thank you so much. And please come on by, give me a call. I've got some great deals on guitars. I guess I have to say the obligatory Patreon, like, subscribe, all that sort of fun stuff. But you know what? I'll just kind of leave it there. I'll see you next time.